Want to know how to fix your PUBG Mobile stuck in 98% or stuck in the loading screen? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can fix it. It's super simple, so let's go straight to it. Now, there are various ways or reasons why your PUBG Mobile might get stuck. So first and most common one is network issues. So make sure you have proper network on your phone, or you can just switch between data and Wi-Fi. So if it still doesn't work, just simply select and hold your PUBG Mobile application, head towards its app settings, and once you're there, on the bottom right side you can see this clear data icon. Just simply select it and select clear cache. Now once that is done, any junk files should be removed and your loading screen stock should also be fixed. If it still doesn't work, you can either uninstall PUBG Mobile directly and reinstall. This will surely fix it, or you can just simply reboot your mobile. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.